How to redeem credit card rewards in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, log into your Fifth Third Bank online account at 53.com using your user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section of your account dashboard. Next, look for the Rewards or Cashback and Rewards tab and click on it to access your rewards detail. Here you will see your current rewards balance and available redemption option such as cashback, statement credits, gift cards, travel bookings, or merchandise. Choose the redemption option that suits you best. For example, if you want cashback, select that option and enter the amount you want to redeem. Review your selection carefully, then confirm your redemption request. Depending on your choice, rewards may be credited to your account immediately or take a few business days to process. If you have any questions or need help with redeeming your rewards, you can contact Fifth Third Bank customer service for assistance. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem credit card rewards in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.